Me? Oh, big yawn. Today's Friday, March 26th, and you officially don't fit in your newborn clothes anymore. Look how big you are. Are we watching baseball? Yeah. Hi. Hi, buddy. You're sticking out your tongue at me. You silly boy. Look at that. Look at those arms.
We love your attitude and we love watching you pitch. Hopefully you're going to be around for a long time doing it. Well, thanks, guys. I really appreciate it.
Is it almost nap time? Almost nap time? Hi. Hi. I love you. You're a big boy.
I'm really excited about it, and I'm not just saying that. At first, I think I was with kind of the rest of the population when we made the trade early in the year or early off-season. It's kind of hard to look at that.
Say, see you later. Say, see you later.
And it was a very good play.